If you want to flip an image or layer in Photoshop and do it fast without messing up the rest of your design, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you two simple ways to flip content in Photoshop. First, we'll flip a single layer, which is perfect if you only want to mirror one object. Then I'll show you how to flip the entire canvas, which is ideal when you want to mirror the whole composition at once. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tips and tricks. Let's jump in. Let's start with the most common method, which is flipping a single layer. This is the option you want if you only need to mirror one object while keeping your background, text, and other layers exactly as they are. First, look over to your Layers panel on the right side of Photoshop. Click the layer that you want to flip so it becomes active. It's important to make sure you've selected the correct layer because whatever layer is active is the one Photoshop will transform. Once your layer is selected, go to the top menu bar and click Edit, then move down to Transform. Inside the Transform menu, you'll see the Flip options. If you want the layer to mirror from left to right, choose Flip Horizontal. This is the most commonly used option and it creates that reflection style effect across the vertical axis. If you want the layer to turn upside down instead, choose Flip Vertical. That flips the object top to bottom across the horizontal axis. This is especially useful for things like logos, product images, people, objects, or any design element you want to reposition without manually rotating or rebuilding it. And remember, this only affects the selected layer, so the rest of your project stays untouched. That makes it a very safe and controlled way to make changes in Photoshop. Here's a quick pro tip that can save you even more time. You can also press Ctrl+T on Windows or CMD+T on Mac to bring up the free transform box. Once that box appears, right-click inside the transform area and you'll see the flip horizontal and flip vertical options there as well. This is a great shortcut if you use Photoshop often and want to work faster. Now let's move on to the second method, which is flipping the entire canvas. Use this when you want to mirror the full project layout all at once. This means every visible layer in your document will flip together, including images, text, shapes, and backgrounds. It's perfect if you want to reverse the overall composition rather than just one element. To do this, go back to the top menu bar and click Image, then choose Image Rotation. From there, you'll see the canvas flip options. Select Flip Canvas Horizontal if you want the whole design mirrored left to right, or choose Flip Canvas Vertical if you want the entire document turned upside down. This method is great for design previews, layout experiments, and creative effects, but you do want to be careful because it changes everything in the document at once. So if you only meant to flip one layer, use the first method instead. That way you keep full control over each part of your design. So to quickly recap, if you want to flip just one object, select the layer and use Edit, Transform, then Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical. If you want to flip the whole project, go to Image, Image Rotation, and choose Flip Canvas Horizontal or Flip Canvas Vertical. Once you know the difference between those two options, flipping images in Photoshop becomes very easy. If this Photoshop tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.